bird. I want to be a bird real bad. I can fly where I want to, and land where I want to, and poop where I want to. Yeah, I could be a bird. I could be a peacock with my tail feathers. Yeah, I'd be a mighty proud peacock. Or I could be an ostrich with my long legs and my long neck, cruising around the savannah with my head in the grass, I guess. Yeah, I could be a bird. I could be a chicken, laying eggs here and there, getting fed and laying eggs. I'd be a chicken. Yeah. I could also be a swan, a big white swan. I could be by myself, or I could have a flock if I wanted. I could be a bird. I'd really want to be a bird. But I got hands. I ain't got no wings. I'm a human. And when humans fly, we drop bombs! Left, right, and center, bombs here and there, crashing down. When we see trees, we cut them down. Every last one of them. You don't think about them little nests, them little birds living in the trees. Them little chicks go chirp, chirp. We don't even think about them no more. Chicks, we stuff them in cages, and then we feed them full of preservative, and then whatever we do with them in the end, we eat them. We eat them without even thinking twice. I am a human. But I want to be a bird.